So it is Valentine's Day today, right?
Yep.
And we decided to dress up a little bit and make some ribs.
Who doesn't like ribs?
Yeah,
right?
who doesn't like ribs
Yeah.
for a holiday special? Laura's favorite
My
thing
favorite dish,
is
yeah.
ribs. So we're gonna show you how to do some baby back ribs today, the best way in the world. This video is gonna be great. The first thing you're gonna want to do here is make yourself a rub. Doesn't gotta be anything fancy. Don't gotta purchase something special. I just use brown sugar and seasonings that I like. So this rub's just brown sugar and some no sodium seasonings we like. You're gonna want about a cup or so of rub per rib per rack. We're gonna do 2 racks today, so I'm making about 2 cups of mix. On your ribs, make sure you get the thickest, meatiest ribs you can find. These ones are extra meaty. I've been finding the best ribs lately at Aldi's. Lay down a piece of foil long enough to cover the whole rack. Put your rack on there and cover it with your rub. I wrap the foil up and leave one end open like this. You are going to want to put 2 layers of foil on here to help stop from leakage. You need a cup of juice per bag. I'm doing 2 bags today. So I'm using 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of some pineapple spritzer drink. Something sweet. You can use like a Red's apple ale or apple juice or apple cider. Pour the contents into the end of the bag and close it up like this. It's ready for the oven. Put this in a 200-degree oven for like 6 hours. Now you got some time to kill. Lauren and I's relationship has grown stronger and stronger in the 24 years that we've been together. I still believe I'm the luckiest person on the planet to have her. Do some romantic things.
I don't know what that would be.
She's a great partner.
Kiss.
So supportive of all my ideas and adventures.
Not kid appropriate for YouTube. Gotta keep it PG-13.
It's no big deal to do something like this for her on a special day like Valentine's Day. 6 hours later, my grill's all warmed up. Open one end of the foil bag, pour the juice into a bowl. Take the ribs out, cut them up into smaller sections. Mix up all the almost empty barbecue sauces in your fridge. Doesn't really matter what you use here. Toss the ribs around in there, and let's go throw them on the grill for a little bit. Now you're just gonna roll these things around in a good hot grill for 20-25 minutes. Just enough to kind of char the sauce up and caramelize it a little bit. Make a side of mashed potatoes. Take that juice we pulled out of the foil bag. Reduce it down, add some barbecue sauce, and thicken it up for gravy. Throw some corn in with this meal. Can't go wrong. There you go.
Ooh. That looks delicious.
Yeah. Let's eat.
All right.
If you got a beautiful, smart, hardworking, awesome partner that puts up with your drama like I do, find a way to remind them every once in a while how much they mean to you.
Good.
And try not to take them for granted.
Look at that.
You never know how much longer we have together. Always try to make the best of your time together in this world.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.